had someone ask me the other day, what's up with this whole supplement madam thing? The name alone is an attention grabber, right? Like, you can't help but be curious. But trust me, once you dig in, it's way more fascinating than it seems on the surface. Okay, picture this, an almost mythical figure in the health and wellness world. She's not selling snake oil, but rather this curated collection of supplements tailored to you, your needs, and your goals. It's like the Marie Kondo of vitamins, organized, purposeful, and just a bit mysterious. Here's the thing. Most of us think we can figure out supplements with a quick trip to the store, some Google searching, and maybe a YouTube review. But the reality? You're sorting through thousands of products, each claiming to be the miracle cure for everything. That's Decision Overload 101. If you're like me, you've probably bought something in the past that was totally unnecessary. I once bought bee pollen because I thought it would make me more energetic. Spoiler alert, it didn't. This is where Supplement Madam really steps in and changes the game. She takes complexity and reduces it to clarity. Imagine if you could have a nutrition expert in your corner saying, "Take this, skip that." Better yet, she explains why. You're not just mindlessly swallowing pills, you're informed. That's powerful. What sets her apart, this is where it gets interesting, is her use of AI-backed testing kits. You're not getting cookie-cutter recommendations. These are tailored supplements based on your own biomarkers. Yes, biomarkers. It's as high-tech as it sounds, and that's why it works. Here's the kicker: the time-saving factor. The average person spends hours each year just researching health products or debating whether to try some random influencer's must-have collagen powder. Supplement Madam eliminates the guesswork entirely. That's time you can't get back. Let's not ignore the elephant in the room: cost. High-quality supplements aren't cheap. But the flip side? Wasting money on things you don't need. This isn't about spending less. It's about spending smarter. I mean, if you're going to invest in health, do it with some science behind you. A lot of people are skeptical, though, because we've all heard about wellness scams. Is this just another slick marketing gimmick? I hear that a lot. But when you actually try it and see how matched those recommendations are to how you feel, it's like a light bulb moment. Pro tip: if you ever decide to go this route, don't skip the lifestyle questionnaire. A friend of mine rushed through it and got recommendations that were slightly off. It's like ordering a custom suit, but not giving your tailor your actual measurements. Give it some thought. Another thing people worry about: do I have to take 50 pills a day now? Honestly, no. That's the genius of it. Efficiency. You might just end up with 3 to 5 targeted options, not an overwhelming bucket of random capsules. Quality over quantity. So, is this for everyone? Honestly, probably not. If you're 22 and running on pizza and coffee, you're probably not prioritizing optimal health. But if you're someone who actually wants to invest in longevity or energy, then yeah, this could be a game changer. At the end of the day, the Supplement Madam, whether she's a person or a brand, doesn't claim to have all the answers. But she's tackling a huge problem: the chaos of the supplement world. And that's worth paying attention to.